Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 2021 Camaro will be the sixth model year for the latest sixth generation, which originally debuted for the 2016 model year at Belle Isle Park in Detroit. Inside, the 2021 Chevrolet Camaro adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while wireless device charging is made standard on 3 LT and 2 SS trim levels. 7 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Indeed, it seems the real cause of the Camaro's discontinuation is likely due to restructuring at General Motors. At the end of last year, well before 2019 Q1 sales reports, the automaker set plans to free cash flow for long-term projects like automated driving implementation and electric vehicle design and production. 24 November 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A hybrid Mustang is expected next year as a 2021 model, and this car always was planned for the existing architecture. This suggests the Explorer, Aviator-based Mustang would come in time for perhaps the 2023 model year, with the hybrid powertrain carrying over. 17 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Chevrolet Camaro. We've been hearing for weeks that General Motors brass have been debating whether there's a future for the Chevy Camaro. Now, Muscle Cars and Trucks reports that development of a seventh-generation Camaro is on hiatus, and the car will be discontinued after the 2023 model year. 17 August 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
The new LT1 starts at $34,995 and adds the 6.2-liter V8. It blends LS features with components from the SS, including a vented hood and 20-inch wheels that are squared at each corner. A drive mode selector and limited slip differential are standard.
Let's help you make your mark.
The IROC Z trim was dropped after the 1990 model year and will likely never return, seeing as the International Race of Champions series that it got its name after was shut down back in 2006. 9 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.